Hey everyone, welcome back. So let's discuss the step 3 of the data analysis, which is to process the data. When we say process, what does it mean? Or what do you exactly do in data processing? So let's discuss that. So when you say you process your data, it simply means you need to see whether the data is a right fit for your analysis or not. So just observe that, understand if there is any missing data, if there is any redundant data, that is the data is getting duplicated, or you have some misspellings, or you have some data which is totally missing. So you need to observe those things. There might be some data which is totally irrelevant from what you are right now going to analyze, so you need to consider that. So just collect your data and try to find out and clean it thoroughly. So while cleaning, you need to make sure that the data is relevant, it is not having any wrong spellings, you do not have data mismatches. Like if you have a field which is having alphanumerical values which is supposed to be entered and you don't end up using that, or like if you have your data wherein it is key column and you don't have the right, that is you have the text format, so something of that sort you need to figure out, and you need to just observe and process in certain manner that you are able to clean that data, process that data for your analysis. No visualization can provide you right insights until the data is right. That is, you need to invest a lot of time in, first of all, cleaning and processing your data. This is one of the most important steps in the entire process of data analytics. So once you get your data right, then only you can look for trends and the patterns into that and go for analysis phase. Otherwise, whatever analysis you are doing, that may be wrong, or that may not be able to give you the right insights which you are looking forward to, and based upon those, if you make some decisions, that may also go wrong and it would give a huge setback to your business. So it is very important to make sure that the data is properly processed. You have various tools like many functions in SQL and also in Excel. So those functions you need to learn and also apply while cleaning your data. So or more into that, I will cover up into my upcoming videos how to use Excel or SQL for data processing. But for now, you need to understand what the processing actually is. Very important to also look for whether the data is biased. So it is never good to have some data which is actually biased towards any particular group. So if you see you have a set of data which is favoring or deriving the insights in favor of a particular gender or a particular community, so you must consider that. Also, if they are like the data is not taking into consideration the larger like disparities, so you should also be observing those and try to rectify that. So in order to get the right insights, the data must be dealing and it must be all encapsulating. So it should be covering almost all the part of the communities. It should not be biased towards a particular part of the community, so it taken very good care of. And you must recognize if there is a bias, you must take adequate steps to remove those.